Question number 1. The moment of inertia of an area will be least with respect to option A. Horizontal, option B. Central axis, option C. Vertical axis, option D. None of the above. Answer is B. Question number 2. As compared to the Brinell hardness test, the Rockwell method. Option A. Makes a thinner indentation, option B. May be used on thicker material, option C. Is much slower, option D. All of the above. Answer is A. Question number 3. For any shaft, the number of critical speed is option A 1, option B 2, option C infinite, option D. Depending on the size and load. Answer is C. Question number 4. Which body does not go under deformation when subjected to an external loading? Option A. Elastic, option B. Plastic, option C. Rigid, option D. None of the above. Answer is C. Question number 5. A column is known as short column if option A. The length is more than 30 times the diameter. Option B. The length is less than 8 times the diameter. Option C. Slenderness ratio is more than 120. Option D. None of the above. Answer is B. Question number 6. The unit of Young's modulus is option A. Millimeter per millimeter. Option B. Kilogram per centimeter. Option C. Kilogram. Option D. Kilogram per centimeter square. Answer is D. Question number 7. The materials having same elastic properties in all directions are called option A. Ideal materials. Option B. Uniform materials. Option C. Isotropic materials. Option D. Practical material. Answer is C. Question number 8. For steel, the ultimate strength in shear is compared to in tension is nearly option A. Same. Option B. Half. Option C. 1/3. Option D. 2/3. Answer is B. Question number 9. If a part is constrained to move and heated, it will develop option A. Principal stress. Option B. Tensile stress. Option C. Compressive stress. Option D. Shear stress. Answer is C. Question number 10. The property of material by virtue of which it can be beaten or rolled into plates is called option A. Malleability. Option B. Ductility. Option C. Plasticity. Option D. Elasticity. Answer is A.